Meaning of class. The word class has several meanings depending on context. 1. A group of students who are taught together. 2. A period of teaching in school or college. 3. A category or type of things or people. 4. High quality or elegance, informal use, she's got class. 10 example sentences with class. 1. Our class starts at 9 a.m. every day. 2. She is the best student in our class. 3. We have a math class after lunch. 4. The hotel is in the luxury class. 5. He belongs to the middle class. 6. I missed the English class yesterday. 7. Students should be quiet during class. 8. The flight offers economy and business class seats. 9. The movie was pure class from start to finish. 10. Our class teacher is very friendly.